Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Mental Morning Moments. And this is me, your autistic teacher and mentor, Mrs. Bella Jansen. And this broadcast wasn't planned, but it just shows you in the way God works. This is an alert. This is me standing on the top of Mount Everest, shouting out to all teachers, all parents, all tutors, all caregivers, anybody that works with teenagers. The last part of the year is normally the part where depression and anxiety hits people head on, especially teenagers in high schools. Me, as a diagnosed autistic with the comorbidities, getting along with it, depression, anxiety, an adamant mental health advocate, as well as someone currently recovering from trauma and autistic burnout brought on by the incorrect approach, broken trust, hostility, and a little bit of ignorance towards mental health. I plead to all teachers and all parents and everybody dealing with a teenager. If you observe a warning sign of severe depression, anxiety, withdrawal, any sign, please do not brush it off. I do not know how to stress the importance. Please do not brush it off. Do not take it as manipulation, being overdramatic, being lazy, being just a teenager. It can have severe consequences which can cause you regret. Wasn't it for intervention at number 99.99999, I wouldn't have been here today due to the same things. What is important? The approach. The approach is from uttermost importance. You need to approach such cases with sensitivity and understanding. Once you have broken that trust or show any signs of hostility or a little bit of unwillingness or uneducating about mental health, rather stay away. But please do not brush it off. Pay attention. Approach it in the right way with the uttermost sensitivity. Do not break that trust. And I repeat again, if you are a little bit ignorant towards mental health or you feel you are a little bit uneducated still in this genre, please leave it to a professional or someone who is regarded as a safe person. But do not brush it off. This is me working through God or God working through me to a shout out. If you can share this on your platforms, which I don't have, please share this. It needs to come to attention.